Can you imagine driving without the constant worry of getting a speeding ticket? In this video, I'll show you how you can with the radar laser system we installed on this Tesla Model S Plaid. Here is Redenzo's built-in radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. The front of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. The jammers are outlined in turquoise. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, the setup for the Model S Plaid will defeat all laser guns used by law enforcement. The front radar antenna and GPS antennas are outlined and were mounted to 3D printed brackets that mount behind the front bumper. The radar antenna will alert you when there are radar threats ahead. The rear of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that are outlined. This combination provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The rear radar antenna outlined is concealed behind the bumper to a bracket and will alert you of threats from behind. All the parts needed to properly mount the components to the vehicle were 3D designed, modeled, and 3D printed. On the interior of the vehicle, the Redenzo display controller was attached to a 3D printed part that mounts below the screen with no modifications. The components that go under the dash were mounted to a fabricated bracket that uses factory mounting points. The wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you get alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain your speed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.